Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if you're blocked on TikTok. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, the easiest way to know if somebody blocked you on TikTok is to go to home at the bottom left and then search top right. And from here, you want to type in that person's username. So, example, let's say John, I don't know, go to under users. And if under this list you don't see the John you are looking for, it's most likely they have blocked you. Now, how you can check if they have blocked you? Take your friend's phone, borrow the phone, don't just take it, borrow the friend's phone, go find that same person. And if that friend sees the profile of that person, that means they have not blocked that person, but they have blocked you. And that's one way to know it. Another way is you can always try to tag them in the comments. So again, if you don't see their tag here, that's also a good indication that they have blocked you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.